Hello everyone and welcome back to our lessons. My name is Samir. Today I'm going to teach you one simple trick which you can apply to become a fluent English speaker by spending just 10 minutes every day. In this video, I'll share with you a fantastic way to learn English. This unique method will need only 10 minutes of your daily life, and you will notice an extraordinary transformation in your English fluency within a matter of weeks. This technique is known as just a minute technique. The best part of this technique is that you need not to have any companion to learn English. You can develop your English fluency by yourself. So with that, let's get started. Firstly, let's have some background idea about the game. Jam is a short version of just a minute. As the name suggests, just a minute, in this game, a participant would speak on a given topic for a full 60 seconds without hesitation, deviation, or repetition. This is a 3-stage game. The game was designed by Ian Messiter for BBC Radio. So let's find out how to play this fun game. Things required for this game are stopwatch, mirror, audio or video recorder. You can use your mobile as well, pen and a paper. As stated earlier, this game is split into 3 stages. First, choose any topic of your choice and talk for a minute. This is the same activity as you used to do when you were in school. The only difference here is that you are free to pick your own topic and present a speech on that topic. While doing so, it is advised to stand in front of the mirror and talk about the chosen theme. This is because you can notice your body movements and expressions and work on them as well. When you start speaking, you must talk continuously for 1 minute. No long pauses are allowed. The break should not be more than 3 seconds. You may not change the subject or repeat information. In this stage of English learning through jam technique, you have to recall your speech in your mind and have to collect ideas from it. For example, if you have spoken on a topic of my hometown, then you should gather the points, for instance, size of the city, food habits of people, weather condition, modes of public transportation, and many more. Once you collect these ideas, note down in your notebook. Recollect as many ideas as you can and expand all those thoughts in your notepad. Remember, the more will be the ideas, the interesting the speech would be. This is the last step of learning English through the jam technique. Now you have recollected all the ideas and have made notes. You are now going to speak one last time for 1 minute on the same topic with having notes on your side. Set your timer for 1 minute. Now start speaking for a minute. It is undoubtedly going to be different because you now have more ideas on your side. You should use all those ideas while talking, and when the timer hits 60 seconds, you will get to know that the speech was better than the earlier one. To review how fluent and confident your speaking was, you can record yourself. Keep these recordings for your future reference. Check weeks or months later to compare your improvements. Well, this was the tutorial on how to use jam technique. I can assure you that if you continue following this technique every day, you will notice an overall improvement in your English fluency and you will become confident while speaking English. So go and grab the pen, make the list of the topics you need to speak, and be unstoppable. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up by hitting that like button. And don't forget to subscribe to this channel to get updated right here on the YouTube. And with that, I'll see you soon in the next video.